We offer various training courses that are our standard courses. So a 4-hour arc flash training where we really focus strictly on arc flash, the hazard, and the PPE and how to protect employees from it. We also have standard classes though that are 8 hours that also go into shock and how do you choose your insulated gloves and how often do they need to be tested. So a little expanded upon just the arc flash topic. As well as we've expanded that course into a 3-day hands-on course where we don't just talk about the standards and what you need to do, we add hands-on activities. So we're in the Experience Center today with lots of equipment. There's a switchboard behind me. In that class, we don't just discuss the PPE and how to do grounding and verifying the absence of voltage. There are actually activities where we have everybody apply grounds and verify the absence of voltage and put PPE on to help them understand beyond the standards, the application of how you do that. Beyond those courses though, we also perform customized training. So if you had a facility that you're really focused on arc flash in medium voltage equipment, above 1,000 volts, we will customize a class specifically for you. And we've had customers request that it's 12 hours or 32 hours, 40 hours. We will build that customized class based off of the customer's needs. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to your ErieTec representative. They can sit down with you, really hone in on what your needs are, what you need for your facility and for your employees, and then they can work with us at Eaton to make sure we can provide those services.